What it feels like to create something truly unique, something powerful that you can call your own. Imagine the excitement of crafting a machine that reflects your personality and meets your specific needs. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going on a thrilling journey into the world of custom PC building. But before we dive into the nuts and bolts, let's start with a story that will touch your heart and ignite your passion. Picture this: a young gamer named Alex, who spent years saving every penny, dreaming of the day they could build their own gaming rig. The day finally came. Alex was overwhelmed, unsure where to start, feeling lost in a sea of components and technical jargon. Sounds familiar? Don't worry. We're here to ensure your journey is smooth and exhilarating. First, let's talk about the brain of your custom PC, the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. Think of the CPU as the conductor of an orchestra, directing every component to create a harmonious performance. Choosing the right CPU depends on your needs. Are you a gamer, a video editor, or a casual user? Each use case demands different processing power. For gamers, Intel's Core i7 or AMD's Ryzen 7 are top contenders, offering high performance for the latest games. For content creators, more cores and threads are essential, making the Ryzen 9 or Intel i9 excellent choices. Once you've selected your CPU, it's time to find the perfect motherboard. The motherboard is like the foundation of your house, providing a structure to build upon. It connects all the components, allowing them to communicate effectively. Ensure your motherboard is compatible with your CPU. Look for features like the number of RAM slots, PCIe slots for expansion cards, and connectivity options like USB ports and Wi-Fi. Next, let's move on to memory, or RAM. RAM is your computer's short-term memory, storing data that's actively being used. More RAM means smoother multitasking and better performance in demanding applications. For most users, 16 GB of RAM is sufficient, but gamers and professionals might opt for 32 GB or more. Now, let's talk about storage. Imagine your storage as a library, holding all your data and software. There are two main types: HDDs, hard disk drives, and SSDs, solid-state drives. SSDs are faster and more reliable but more expensive, while HDDs offer more storage at a lower cost. A common setup is to use an SSD for your operating system and applications, and an HDD for larger files like videos and photos. The next crucial component is the graphics card, or GPU. The GPU is the artist of your PC, rendering images, videos, and animations. For gamers and creative professionals, a powerful GPU is essential. NVIDIA and AMD are the leading manufacturers. Choose a GPU based on your needs and budget, considering factors like VRAM, clock speed, and cooling solutions. Powering all these components is the PSU, or power supply unit. The PSU is like the heart of your PC, pumping electricity to every part. Ensure your PSU has enough wattage to support your build, with some headroom for future upgrades. Look for 80+ certified PSUs, which are more efficient and reliable. Cooling is another critical aspect. Think of cooling as your PC's respiratory system, preventing it from overheating and ensuring optimal performance. You can choose between air cooling and liquid cooling. Air cooling is more affordable and easier to install, while liquid cooling offers better performance and quieter operation. Your case is the final piece of the puzzle, housing all your components. Choose a case that fits your motherboard size, has good airflow, and offers enough space for your GPU and cooling solutions. Consider aesthetics too. This is your creation, so make it look amazing. Now that we have our parts, it's time for assembly. Start with the motherboard. Install the CPU, followed by the RAM and storage. Next, place the motherboard inside the case, securing it with screws. Install the PSU, routing cables to avoid clutter. Insert your GPU into the PCIe slot, securing it with screws. Connect all power cables, ensuring everything is plugged in correctly. Double-check your connections, then close the case. Connect your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Turn on the power, and voila, your custom PC comes to life. But wait, we're not done yet. You need to install an operating system. Windows is the most popular choice, but Linux and macOS are options too. Follow the installation instructions, updating drivers and software to ensure everything runs smoothly. And there you have it, your custom PC is ready to go. Remember, building a PC is not just about the end result, it's about the journey. It's about learning, experimenting, and creating something unique. For more insights and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your experiences. Thank you for joining us today. See you next time, and keep exploring.